After you've enabled the Antech integration within DaySmart in the add-ons, it's going to show enabled right there. You're going to set up your inventory as the next step. You can do that in the inventory module here, or you have a shortcut where you can just go to the green plus up there and click new inventory item. The easiest thing to do is to search in our database by the requisition code that Antech uses. So for example, if I type in SA210 here, I get this very specific limited result, and I can select that. It's very easy to search that way. I would go ahead and add my price for my clients and other parameters if I wish, and then I would save it. Now it's very important that you select from those results and save it so that it maps or links in the database on our back end. In other words, when you request the test in DaySmart, it will know which test to request on the Antech side, so it won't have a mistake. Let me show you another example that won't work actually. So if I were just to type in Antech feline comprehensive and even put a code in there that is theoretically the same code, and then I save that, notice nothing comes up here and I don't select anything. That's really just a custom name I'm putting. So that won't work if I try to add a medical record using this item. That won't be able to communicate with Antech. So it's very important that you select and search and select based on the Antech code from that list of results. To make that easier, just to recap, I could have typed in Antech and I would have gotten a lot to choose from. But you see, this list is very long, and that's difficult. Even if I know the name, I could put in comprehensive. But you see, there's many different comprehensives here, and they might even be similar. So I want to make sure I'm going to order this specific code that Antech uses. So it'd be much better just to look at an old requisition form or speak with your Antech rep to know the specific one, and then you'll be more limited there and know that you're on the right track. Now, once you set up all your inventory, you can see that inventory in the module there under Quick Edit, and then jumping to the laboratory category, and then you'll see that all your Antech items are there as well. So usually when you see the Antech with the colon, the name, and the code, that's a good indication that it is mapped correctly in the backend in the database.